iWatch Tech on Battery Repair FPC. Operation Video. Check the iWatch battery efficiency at first. We can see that the battery efficiency is 84%. Then buckle the iWatch Tech on Battery Repair FPC according to the direction shown in the video. Next, buckle the iWatch battery repair adapter on V1SE. Then buckle the iWatch battery to the corresponding socket on the adapter. Click Activate. After activation, click Next to find help. Modify the data to the required battery efficiency. Right, both the battery health and cycle count can be modified freely. Install the battery back to the iWatch. After writing, before installation, fold the repair FPC same as the shape in the video to facilitate the process. Then install the battery into iWatch. Boot up. Check battery efficiency. Battery efficiency has been modified successfully.